Okay, I hope you still remember the story because we're back with the consonants. In the last episode of our hunger story, I saw that rattlesnake and my mouth opened in shock. Well, do you remember what happens next? Yup, I tried to trap the snake with a bucket. Yes, bucket makes the b sound. I fail, so I go as far as I can up a mountain. And what do you call the top of a mountain? That's right, summit. This makes the s sound. What do we find at the top? Nothing. This consonant actually is a placeholder. It doesn't make any sound. What do we decide to do after that? Whee! Jump. This consonant makes the j sound. And I jumped from so high, I became a... Remember that headband? Yes, champion. This consonant makes the ch sound. You're so good at this. Now let's add a couple more vowels to the mix, shall we? I told you about the 3 basic vowels that go on the right of the consonant. Here's your consonant and vowel. Now, in Korean, the vowels can also go on the bottom as well. Kind of like Lego blocks. Like that. Let's start with this. This makes the U sound. Kind of like as in foot. In romanization, this is often written as U, but a lot of people get confused by this. They don't know whether to read EU or AO, but now you know. It's U, as in foot. Okay? Kind of looks like a foot too, right? Now, if you do a thumbs up and go, oh, you get O. This is the Korean vowel for O, as in, oh, good job. And if you put a stroke on the bottom, you get oo, as in boo, thumbs down. So boo. This makes the oo sound. Now let's put it all into practice. What does this one is that g as in gun. Oh, great job. The s as in summit. And then oo as in boo. Yep, that's right. 고수. It's the Korean word for pro. Someone who's really skilled at something. You're a 고수 at hunger now. Let's do one more, shall we? The bucket, the all too close, the summit, and the foot. Yep, bus. Can you guess what that means? It's the hunger for bus. Yep, like a school bus. Bus in Korean is bus. How about one more? Now this one can be a bit tricky. This makes no sound. Remember nothing? So no sound. And then, much better. No sound again. And E as in tree, right? This reads as ai. Awesome! Ai. This is the Korean word for child. Well, you're doing great. Let's get a bit more practice and move on to the last set of consonants. See you soon!